Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can do screen replacement using Motion. So let's get started. So this is the clip I'll be using for replacing the screen on laptop. So let's select the clip and go to library and behavior, motion tracking, and select second option, match move, and drag it on your clip. Whether you have a photograph or clip, click on that, you can drag this. So now we have match move here. Now go to inspector again here, and we have second option, type. Right now it's transformation. Click and select second option, four corners. So now we have got four corners, as you can see here, on right, top and bottom. So click this corner, red dot, and move to the corner of the screen. You can see here, and same with the right top corner. So we are selecting this area to be dragged. Now we are good to go. So hit the analyze button to analyze this. So it will track all the four corners. If tracked properly, it will stick, our clip will stick to this screen. So let's hit analyze. Motion is, if I compare with After Effects, it's much faster. We are done. So now click outside to deselect everything and press home and out, spacebar to see the preview. Now I can do one more thing. Just select the clip and go to library and filter, color, and select hue saturation and drag it on this clip, and just a bit of value you can reduce, and saturation where it was too bright. So this way you can do the screen replacement in Motion. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching.